I have found an indicator that gives almost accurate signals nearly every time. But of course, we know that no indicator is accurate every time. So to remove the false buy and sell signals given by this indicator, we will add another amazing indicator to our trading chart. I'm going to explain these indicators in detail, and I will also share the ideal settings for these indicators so they work together to give us accurate buy and sell signals. So without wasting any time, let's open our trading chart. So I'm in Tradingview, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. I'm going to be using a Bitcoin trading chart to explain this strategy. Let's quickly remove these indicators from the chart so I can explain everything from the beginning. To add this amazing indicator to our chart, we will click on Indicators tab, and then we will search for EPP Signal ADXDI histogram. I'm sure you have not already heard of this indicator before. We will add this one, which is created by PP Signal 1. Now, if we take a look at our trading chart, we can see it's added here below the chart. It may look simple and similar to all the other indicators, but trust me, it is very different. This indicator is actually 3 indicators combined as one indicator. First of all, we have a DX, which is this line that changes color between green, gray, and orange. Then we have the DI, also known as a directional indicator, which is in the form of a histogram. These bands that we see here are Bollinger Bands. The length of these Bollinger Bands is set at 13. The deviation value for this Bollinger Band is set at 0.618. So in short, the PPP Signal ADXDI histogram indicator combines these components to provide a comprehensive view of market momentum, trend strength, and trend direction. Professional traders may use this indicator to identify potential buy or sell signals, divergence between price and momentum, and the strength of the prevailing trend. We will also use this indicator for these purposes in our strategy. Now, let's see how we can easily read this indicator on our trading chart. If you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. Whenever the ADX line is above Bollinger Bands, it becomes green in color, and it's actually considered as a buy signal. As we can see here in this example, when the line crossed and moved above the Bollinger Bands, it became green in color, and this is considered as a buy signal given by this indicator. Similarly, when the ADX line crosses below the Bollinger Bands, just like it did here, it becomes orange in color, and normally it is considered as a sell signal. Another component of this indicator we can see on our trading chart is this histogram. This histogram is based on a directional indicator. It will help us to confirm the buy and sell signals given by this indicator because it shows the current trend of the market. When the histogram is red in color, like it is here, it means the market is trending down. Subsequently, when the histogram is green in color, the market is trending upwards. So it is very clear now how we can use this indicator in our trading. When we have buy or sell signals, we will confirm them with the help of the histogram. For a sell signal to be valid, the histogram should be red in color. And for a buy signal to be confirmed, the histogram should be green in color. Now, this indicator alone has a very good accuracy and gives pretty accurate signals, but it is not a good idea to use only one indicator for your trading. So to filter these false signals, we will need an amazing indicator that gives us the current trend of the market. A trend indicator would work perfectly, because in times when the market is not trending, you can have a false signal. So we want to open buy positions only when the market is trending upwards. And the opposite goes for opening a sell position. So to decrease our risk as much as possible and lower the number of false signals, let's add the second indicator of our strategy to the trading chart. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. So we will click on Indicators tab again, and we will search for CCI, the Commodity Channel Index, and we will add this one to our trading chart. After it's added to the chart, this is how it looks. I'm sure most of you know about this indicator. First of all, we will need to change its settings. So we will open the settings from here. In the Inputs tab, we will set the value of length to 100. And this is going to be all the changes we will do for this indicator. And now, if we look at our trading chart, we can see it looks exactly how it did at the beginning of the video. By the help of the CCI, we will be able to take the signals that have higher probability of achieving the expected result. When the CCI is above the 100 level or below the -100 level, it shows very strong buying and selling pressure in the market. We're going to take advantage of this, and mixing it with the signals that we have with our main indicator, we will open buy and sell positions. So now that our chart is set, let's go through some buy and sell trade examples using this strategy. So for a buy trade to be valid, first of all, we will wait for our main indicator to give a buy signal. We already know when the ADX line crosses and moves above the Bollinger Band, just like it did here, and becomes green in color, it is considered as a buy signal. Secondly, when we get a buy signal, this histogram should be green in color. Finally, we will confirm this buy signal with the help of the CCI indicator. For a buy signal to be valid, the CCI should be above the 100 level, just like it is here. So if all the conditions are fulfilled, we can open a buy trade. I recommend using good money management rules. You can set your stop loss at the recent swing low and aim for a profit target of a fixed risk to rewards ratio. Now, let's go through one more buy trade example. I hope you guys like this strategy. Here we can see we got a buy signal and the histogram is green in color. And this signal is also confirmed by the CCI indicator, as we can see the CCI line is above the 100 level. So we can open a buy trade here. I hope you have understood the rules and conditions for entering a buy trade using this strategy. Do you want signals like these 3 times a day? Then join our Telegram group for free buy and sell signals. The link is in the description of this video. Now let's go through some sell trade examples. The rules for entering a sell trade using these indicators are exactly opposite to the rules and conditions for entering a buy trade. First of all, we will wait for our main indicator to give a sell signal, just like we have got it here. We know that when the ADX line crosses and moves below the Bollinger Band, just like it did here, and becomes red in color, it is considered as a sell signal. For the first confirmation of this signal, we want the histogram to be red in color. And finally, for a sell trade, the CCI line should be below the minus 100 level, just like it is here. So as all the conditions are fulfilled, we can open a sell trade here. You can set your stop loss at the recent swing high for a sell trade. I hope you guys have understood the rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. This strategy is really simple and easy to implement, and it also has amazing accuracy. Please test this strategy first before using it in your trading. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.